In this video, you'll learn how to create an online course learning management system educational website using WordPress with Elementor and Tutor LMS. By following these steps, you will have your end educational platform ready to go. Begin by navigating to the WordPress.com website. Once you arrive at the homepage, look for the section labeled Sites. Clicking on this will take you to the area where you can manage your WordPress sites. Next, find and click on the option that says Create with AI. This feature allows you to utilize artificial intelligence to streamline the website creation process. After selecting this option, a new screen will load, guiding you through the initial setup. After that, you will see a message indicating that the system is laying the foundations for your new site. This step prepares the back end of your website. Wait patiently, as this process may take a few moments. Once the foundations are laid, the system will prompt you with a message stating, make a website as unique as you. This is your cue to start customizing your site's content. You should see an input field where you can type your desired course name. Type in Create Online Course LMS educational website into the designated input area. This name will help define your site's purpose. Once you've entered the text, look for the button that says Enter and click on it to proceed. Following this, a message will appear confirming that WordPress.com can create an online course LMS educational website. This confirmation assures you that the system is capable of filling your request. It is essential to verify that the information displayed is correct before moving on. Next, you will need to type in your choice from the options given above. This step is crucial as it helps to further define the specifics of your new site. After selecting your choice, confirm by clicking on the Enter button. You will then see a message asking you what you would like your website to be called, specifically the site title that will be displayed in the Browser tab. This title is important for branding and recognition, so choose wisely. Type in the name you wish to assign to your site. This name will represent your educational platform. After entering the name, click on the Enter button to confirm your selection. A prompt will ask you to provide a short tagline or description that should appear in search results and social media previews. This tagline is an opportunity to showcase what your site offers to potential visitors. Input your desired tagline into the provided field. This description will help users understand the purpose of your site at a glance. Once you have completed this, click on the Enter button to proceed. Following this, you will need to click on the button labeled Create My Site. This action initiates the creation of your website and is a significant step in the process. Ensure that you have reviewed all of your inputs before confirming. After clicking that button, a message will appear stating, please wait, your site is brewing. This indicates that the system is actively working on creating your website. Be prepared for this process to take some time depending on server load. You will now need to wait for the system to generate your site. During this phase, a loading screen may display. It is important to remain patient as this step can take a while, especially for more complex setups. Eventually, you will see a message stating that the process might take a while. This is a normal part of the setup process, and waiting is necessary to ensure everything is configured correctly. Keep an eye on the screen for further updates. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.